Alright guys, so I just wanted to come on here and tell you that natural hair is beautiful. And I also want to tell you 4C hair is beautiful. I have 4C hair. And let me tell you something. This is not 4C hair. I get Texlaxes because I am not afraid to say I'm tender-headed. I get Texlaxes because I want to and because I can. I want people of color, people of African descent, black people to stop the war between one another when it comes to black hair. Regardless of whether your hair is straight and relaxed, regardless, I'm still black. Regardless of whether I straighten my hair with chemicals, whether I keep it natural and put blueberries and freaking blackberries and apple juice or whatever you want to call it, natural products into my hair, I'm still a black woman. I am still of African descent. I am still a woman of color. Okay? And I need everybody out there to know in the black community that just because it appears natural, it's not always natural. And just because it appears relaxed, straightened, doesn't mean it's not natural. So basically, do you, boo. We need to stop hating on each other. This is just another thing to separate us. Light skin versus dark skin. Natural versus relaxed. You can be relaxed and live a long life. Chemicals and all. You also can be natural. Do everything, no straightening, no color, straight up natural. And walk outside and get hit by a dang old car. Okay? So we need to stop saying chemicals are bad. In a way they are. But it doesn't matter because as women of color, black women, we have the right. If a white woman or a Caucasian woman goes outside to a salon and gets a curly perm, is she less white? No. If an Asian does it, no. Why are we the only ones with a stigma in our minds that we cannot be truly black, truly healthy, if we have kinks or if we have relaxed hair? Y'all, we need to think about that. I'm tired of it. I just want to say a lot. I am proud to be black, and I'm not ashamed to say that. But at the end of the day, I feel like pride goes before a fall and humility before promotion. So guys, we can take pride in being black, but let us not hate on those who choose to embrace their blackness in their own way. Okay, guys? So I love you. I'm going to come back on here when it's done. You gonna see. I'm Tansy the Trophy, aka Tansy the Glow Up Guru. Hey guys, so I'm coming to you with my natural hair. You see that, guys? How it reverts. Now I'll take some. I like to do mine like that.